little test and tune.
Yes, sir. Looks good though, and you got a back seat still, so.
Yeah, I gotta have at least the one.
Yep. And you couldn't build a box underneath it. You wouldn't give you enough bass, probably. You wanted the side.
No, I had 2 10s under there, and it wasn't enough.
Yes, sir.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Tell me your name and what's in here real quick.
My name's Karl. For the Team Bass Outlaws, 2 Vulcan V912s, Incriminator IA 20.1, dual AGM, big 3, stock all.
Stock off. All right. Who built the box?
Nick Moore.
Okay. And the port?
Port's right there, behind the seat.
Got it.
Still doing a little test and tune.
Yes, sir. Looks good though, and you got a back seat still, so.
Yeah, I gotta have at least the one.
Yep. And you couldn't build a box underneath it. You wouldn't give you enough bass, probably. You wanted the side.
No, I had 2 10s under there, and it wasn't enough.
Yes, sir. Where are you peaking, you think?
It's actually 33.
33, a little lower? Okay.
Yeah, that wasn't really as low as it can go.
Yes, sir.
It
The Hulken Extreme Genie.
yes, with the Vulcan.
Nice.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk-around. We got a Karl system he was showcasing at the Summer Showcase show in Jacksonville, Florida area of 2021. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive and unique to see 212s, the Vulcan Series Genius audio subwoofers installed in his truck. And he was saying that he actually had an upgrade before he made it to the show because underneath the seat systems aren't always the loudest. And he had the subwoofers mounted up with the port forward. Seemed to be most optimal for truck systems. And it's kind of just a throw in the box system. So if you didn't need all of his back space in the truck, this is a really good option. And he still has that right seat behind the driver. And I went ahead and looked up the specs for the amplifier he was running because I was curious. I didn't remember off the top of my head. It's 2,800 watts RMS. Is what they're rated at 14.4 volts. So pretty powerful amplifier. And I'm sure he was wired at 1 ohm. So he's not getting all the power out of them. And this is what the Genius 1500 watt RMS Vulcan series sub looked like. And he only have 1 extra battery with stock alt. So he probably doesn't get all the juice to be able to support the system. But you'll see during the demo the voltage drop. I tried to get always a little angle on that. And the port area is a little bit on the small side for being a dual 12-inch subwoofer system. That looks more like for a single 12. But it still got the job done, and it was tuned really low, so you could tell that the output was playing into the high 20, low 30 hertz range well on the song he's going to play. So this makes a 2,800 watt RMS system on 2 12-inch subs inside of this Nissan truck we're getting a demo to now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on for daily videos coming your way, and enjoy.
All right. Yeah, thank you for
Yeah, man, I
man.
appreciate it.
Thanks for watching too, man.
Oh, yeah,
Team Based
definitely.
Outlaws. Be your name?
Karl, thanks.
Karl. All right. You have a good day, man. Stay cool.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.